Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm exhausted. I just did 2 videos. I'm on my feet. I don't want to sit down. But I wanted to get this last canvas done. I really wanted to crack it open. This is from Distracted by Diamonds. Yes, Distracted by Diamonds. They are also called Patty Wax. Excuse me. On Etsy. They are on Etsy. So I saw somebody complete one of their canvases, and I love the look of the canvas, and I wanted it for myself. So I went to browse and found that they still had it. I think they only had 1 or 2 left in stock, so I grabbed one for myself. I have never purchased from this company before. I don't know what to expect. I mean, they're more, I want to say they're more on the premium side. I mean, their canvases were like $40 and up. So we're gonna look at a new company, a new to me company. It may not be new to you, but it's a new to me. Right off the bat, you hear that? That's what material the canvas is. I don't know how to explain the material. It makes that sound. It's not velvety. It's not Diamond Art Club velvety soft. It's a little bit more stiff. Oh my God. I'm so excited about this. Okay. Let's see what we got. Got a release paper. A big one. What the hell? Okay. Is this a sticker sheet? It is. It's a sticker sheet. Oh my God. It didn't look like it was perforated. So we have 48 colors. Here's our girl. Look at our crazy looking girl with the cherries in her mouth. This is called Cherries by Emily Nacon. 2022. Ooh, this is different. So it comes with a heart wax, a little heart diamond tray. Now this is a nice little touch. Premium diamond painting companies should be sending diamond trays like this. This is nice. And we got a little roll of washi tape. It says Distracted by Diamonds, has their logo on it. I'm going to keep everything together. Let's look at the canvas, because she's huge. Very stiff. Top to bottom, or left to right, top to bottom. Here's our girl, the cherries. I love this. This is so nice. It doesn't have the size of the can. 52 by 55, so not a complete perfect square. It looks perfectly square though. 48 colors. Does it come with any? I think this is the company that, yes, this is the company, I believe, that they don't put ABs. You know, it doesn't come with your kit. You have to buy a separate kit that is made for the canvas, and you know, they pick out ABs to match the canvas, but you pay separate for them, I believe. I think I saw that on somebody else's channel. She bought the extra kit with the ABs and the special drills in it. That's okay. I have ABs and crystals and stuff in my collection, so I can jazz it up on my own. But they pre-bagged everything, which is a really nice touch. You know, Diamond Art Club has been putting everything in the trains, which have been okay, but they're very staticky. I've been dealing with nothing but static from Diamond Art Club drills. I don't know why. It's the second canvas I'm on, and I have static and everything. But this is a nice touch. Not going to open them up. They're put in here very nice. DBDR 1160. Okay, so they labeled the canvas for you and they put the canvas size. I want to use the sticker sheet for my book, my new logbook, so I'm not going to stick it on here. I think it's labeled good enough. I think it'll be fine. I don't have to label it any further. I don't remember what I paid. I think I maybe paid 30, 40 bucks for this. Wasn't too bad. There was a little discount, I think. Look at her. Look at those eyes. Look how big her eyes are. Her eyes are going to turn out fabulous. This is what I'm talking about. When I like an up close and personal face, zoomed in face on a canvas, this is what I'm talking about. I love faces that are big. Because you get all the detail. There is no shortage of detail when the face is this big. And it's wonderful because it turns out so great every single time. I have never done a canvas that is zoomed in like this that turned out looking like shit. They look great. So I'm really, really excited about this. I'm going to put her under the mattress and let her flatten out. I don't know when I'm going to work on it. I have so many Diamond Art Clubs. I'm currently working on a Diamond Art Club. I'm going to be kitting up another Diamond Art Club soon. Probably this weekend, a square. So I'll get to it when I get to it. I'll eventually get to it. And I did order another Distracted by Diamonds one. Another canvas I had my eye on. So I got her because there was like one left in stock. So I just grabbed it. But isn't she cute? I think she's cute. It looks kind of graffiti-ish. Like graffiti style. Very vibrant with the colors. Really, really pretty. A lot of color blocking. I'm going to enjoy this. I'm going to enjoy this a lot. So, nice little touches. Heart-shaped. And both sides. You can use both sides. You can shake both sides. And a washi tape and a wax. I think it's a nice touch. You don't always need the pen. I mean, I have so many friggin' pens in my stash. So, I think this was a good find. I'm glad I'm trying the company. I will give you guys a post review when I do complete the canvas. And I'll let you know what I think about the stick, how the drills were. I'll let you know all the 9 yards when I get to the canvas. That's when I get to the canvas. So, if you guys are enjoying my channel, if you're enjoying my content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And if you're returning, thank you for returning and joining me in this new journey of trying out new diamond painting companies other than just budget friendly. So, without further ado though, I'm going to let you guys go. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.